So our next topic is navigation properties in entity framework. So what are the navigation properties? We have model of class employee, and we have two navigation property inside this employee model, which is made by the keyword virtual. Virtual is used for navigation properties, where we can fully access branch table data with the help of this branch property and department table data with the help of this department property. Also inside this we have a virtual eye collection type of employee of property, where eye collection is the interface of table type where we can access complete table employee inside department and inside the department table. If we see the EDMX diagram, we will clearly see employee as a navigation property in branch table and department, and there are two properties, branch and department, inside the employee table to access the data of branch and department table respectively. So let's move with an example. For example, come to the employee view of index. Here we have department ID, branch ID, department ID and branch ID, but we want to show the name of the department and branch instead of showing ID. So this can be accessed using navigation property. That is, we need to write department dot department name, also dot branch name respectively. Refresh this. Okay, we are clearly seeing that the name of ID is already showing here. Instead of ID, we are getting the name of branch and department. But there is one more problem here. If we have the department value null, then it will show the error. For this, let's make this that transition department is null. So here we clearly see the error of null value. So for this, let's do one thing. Also, we will do same for this branch. In the place of null there is no value, so we will make this check everywhere. Now come to the details, also make this let's refresh this. Now see the details. We have department name and branch name. Also in this we have the department name and branch name. So these are the navigation properties already made by entity framework. Now our next target is to study the drop down list dynamic. Static drop down list. So we want our list come into the drop down for city. So city will be chosen from drop down list. Come to the create view, make it select, option, value, select, please select, option, value, Bangalore, Mumbai, refresh this. So here we get the drop down list. This is the static drop down list. Now let's see the dynamic drop down list. Our next topic is dynamic drop down list. So let's come. So here we want inside drop department ID and branch ID. We get the list, department name list, and here we want to get the branch ID, branch list. Okay, let's come to the controller, employee controller, Come to the create. New back emp list equals to db.employees.toList. Also new back not the employee list, department list. List departments branches. Come to the create, make it select, option value, select, @ for each add dot db list. Item dot So here we are getting department name list. We will do same for branch ID. So this is the dynamic drop down list in entity framework. Also we need to make changes in edit view. These are the changes which we have done in create view. Now come to the edit. Add this line to edit action method. So we check for Rahul Jain. We have department name HR and branch Pune branch. So if we click on edit, we are getting the same result. Department name HR and branch name Pune. Let's modify its New Delhi and the software developer. Okay, software developer. Updated successfully. Preeti Singh, let's HR to New Delhi. We will edit this. HR to software developer. Branch is Pune. Preeti Singh, software developer Pune. So we have successfully done this. This is the coding of edit